Yeah,
want to know about myself?
yeah, I would like to know about you also.
Okay. So my name is Ritu Pathak and I live in Agra, right?
Okay,
And I am very, very passionate about this language. So I am a teacher also, at the same time, a mentor and communicator. So that's all about me. So, Raju,
that's it.
just tell me about your city, the place where you live.
Right now, I'm from Bihar. Right now, I'm living in Bihar in district in Sitamarhi. But I used to stay in South India, Erode district, in Rameswaram side.
Wow, that's so beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, isn't it?
All right. So, what you love about Sitapur? Sitapur, am I right?
Sitamarhi is birth of
Sitamarhi.
Sitama.
Oh,
Yeah,
Sitamarhi. Wow, what's a beautiful
the
name.
birthplace of the Sitama.
Oh, right, right. Got it, got it. So, what do you love about that place? I mean, I think that you are emotionally attached to that place. So, could you just give me some reflection on that?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, I'm telling to you why the that name called Sitamarhi because one day in old days, the Sitama, the birth from for the earth from the earth. That's why. Yeah,
So, what are your favorite subjects? I mean, do you have
science.
a particular affection towards any particular subject?
Yeah, science. I was past whole class science. Right now, I'm also related to study science, space science.
Okay. So, why did you decide to learn this language, English language?
Because why I'm telling to you because after my completing 12th class, I was a fully Hindi medium student up to 1 to 12th class. After my 12th class completed, then I realized that no, if I don't know English, how can we I survive there? So if I talk about South India, their side they don't know people, they don't know Hindi. So
Hmm.
you have to communicate there only English. You have to talk there only English. Then you can survive there. Otherwise, you cannot survive there. Yeah, you can survive as a few days as a worker, but you cannot survive there as a student as a good way. That's
Right,
why. If
right.
I want to go any company for a higher level education job, so we must know English. Otherwise, we can't go there. That's why.
Agreed, agreed. Nowadays, nowadays people have overhyped this language, right? Every second person wants to learn this language for various reasons. Like you told me, because you want to communicate in English, because you are living right now in the southern region of India. So there definitely you are on point that we have to communicate in English with other people.
Yeah, yeah.
So, Raju, just want to ask me, have you ever decided or planned to become a public speaker? I
Yeah,
mean,
I decided. I decided when I was doing practice last year, I was decided to become a public speaker because whatever you know as a subject you have studied, whatever you can know, that is not matter. Whatever you are saying, that whatever you are express your feelings, that is the main method. If you are
mhm.
become a good man in your life, but you can get success also, but you are not able to express your success. How what is your success? This is not your success. That's why I'm
Yes,
saying that.
yes. So, could you throw some light? What is specially the meaning of this term public speaking or public speaker? It's so hyped. Everybody is following a certain pattern. So, what pattern do you want to follow or you wish to follow to become a public speaker?
Actually, I want to follow that pattern in motivational.
Oh, motivational pattern. All right.
Yeah.
So, can you just suggest a few motivational sources from where you get your motivation?
I get motivation sources from YouTube and itself. Sometimes I get motivated from my family.
Oh, so your family supports you a lot.
Yeah.
Yes, very nice. So, do you know that what exactly public speaking means? Do you know exactly what is the meaning of public speaking?
Actually, my point, what I'm thinking that I knew that. So whatever you know, what the main things, the word can break you, the word can attach you. The meaning is
Mhm.
that the public is speaking. You are whatever you are throwing a word and sentence. That word, some people are attached, some people are broken heart, some people are to attach you heart. Some people your word get success. Some people your whatever you are throwing your word, the people are get motivated because
Right.
of you. That person, some get idea, some do business, whatever things in his life they
Hmm.
can do very easily because of that word. That's this is the main thing. And you convey your message, whatever you are saying to your word and sentence. I'm not saying in any English language, you only public speaking. Any language, whatever your language you are saying that, that language, that you are saying you are saying that you convey your idea, your thought, these things.
Hmm. Yes. The public speaking, the good news is that public speaking is just an art that can be learned with the passage of time, and public speaking is an art because of which you can convey your thoughts, your perspectives clearly to an audience, whether
Yeah,
it is formal like a stage or informally in daily conversations or daily interactions. Now there is a big myth which people didn't understand it, that always they think that public speaking is always to set the stage on fire. Is that so? Do you also think that?
what did you say? Sorry, ma'am.
I want to say that people nowadays they
Yeah,
think that public speaking is always to set the stage on fire. Is that so?
no, it's not like that. We get their experience, we get their confidence. Whenever I'm doing the public speaking, we get their confidence in our life. Do you know one thing? I'm going to say you one example. If the people are completed PhD degree and any is a higher level degree, but they are not able to speak, they are not able to convey his message from any public where. That's why we say that there is whatever you have studied, that it doesn't matter. If you are able to say anything, your message for public, that is the matter.
Yes, definitely. And what is the importance of pronunciation? Can you throw some light on that? What is the importance of pronunciation? Because nowadays, what am I noticing is that everybody is running after this language, English.
Yeah, yeah,
Everybody wants to learn this
yeah, yeah.
language. But what do you think, that are they pronouncing the word properly, or do they
No,
need some practice?
yeah, they are not doing perfectly, because I am also not able to pronounce some word pronunciation perfectly. So right now I am doing some tongue twister. That word to help me to improve our pronunciation. Pronunciation. So
Yes.
many I am doing tongue twister every day. 13, more than 30.
Hmm.
So because in my mother tongue is not in English,
Hmm.
so that's why we are not able to speak that word and that sentence.
Hmm. Let
If
me
I,
share a trick. Let me share a trick with you. Whenever you
yeah,
have to speak on a stage, whenever you have to deliver a speech on a stage, all
yeah,
right, it is very normal that we all get nervous. It's very
yeah,
normal.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
I give you a surefire technique. Whenever you have to hit the stage, you just
yeah,
start practicing tongue twisters right before 5 minutes you are going to about to hit the stage. It will get you into role, and
yeah, definitely.
your brain will transmit that particular message to you, that okay, now I am about to set the stage on fire, and now
Yeah,
I am all ready to do it. So that will definitely boost up your confidence, and then
yeah,
you
absolutely,
can deliver
absolutely.
your speech with perfect confidence and clarity.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, I used to do whenever I'm going to a stage, I used to do first.
Hmm.
I started my smiling face, because sometimes the people are nervous whenever they go to a stage. This
Hmm.
first, in first expression, do you know one thing? First expression is your last expression.
Yes,
So
right.
that time I smile that time, and whatever first I communicate the people. First question I ask them, and they are also asked to me.
Hmm.
But do you know one thing? The people are not doing these things. They go there, they think that कब मैं जाऊँ यहाँ से, कब मैं जाऊँ यहाँ से, बहुत
Ah, yes, yes,
too
right,
much
right,
that
right.
there. But now I also like think that in olden days. But now I'm used to these things. I went to some institute there. I practiced there. I take some class also. I took some class also. So now I habitual that, but it's not that much.
It's not that much, but we need rehearsals. You know,
Yeah,
to deliver extempore speech on the stage is not everyone's cup of tea. So we
yeah,
have to be ready for that. We need some practices. As you have heard it, practice makes a man perfect. All right.
yeah, yeah,
So rehearse for that, prepare for them, and your gestures play a significant role in
yeah,
making you a public speaker, a perfect, you're saying a public speaker on stage. If you want to
yeah,
attract people, you have to give your 100% to make
yeah, yeah,
your session engaging, inspiring, and innovative at the same time. Right?
yeah,
So, Raju, I love very much to get connected with you. Best
yeah. Thank you.
wishes
Yeah,
for your future, Raju, and soon we will connect one more time. All
yeah.
right?
Definitely, I will connect with any topic, some topic.
Yes, we will decide a topic beforehand and then we will connect
Yeah,
over
yeah,
that.
definitely.
Okay?
Because
So,
yeah, yeah. Okay,
okay.
ma'am.
So, bye bye,
Thank you.
Raju. Take
Okay, ma'am.
care.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye
Nice to
bye.
meet you, ma'am.
Same here. Same here. Bye
Okay.
bye.